to the family if you're new. Got ready for work. Today's gonna be a blessed day. Make sure you thank God for waking you up this morning. I don't have to go and leave the house until 8:20, but I'm gonna get back with y'all whenever I either go on break or after work, and then I'll take y'all to the gym with me. I'll talk to y'all later. I have to use the freaking shoe. Now I know to wet this way, because that mug just wiped all types on me. This is what it's like going from living in the South to living in the North. I just got on break not too long ago. I had went to pick up Popeyes, and I'm like, man, I haven't had Popeyes in a fat minute, so I'm finna try it. I don't know why, I just been wanting just chicken and macaroni and cheese, so I got me some chicken, macaroni and cheese. I'm finna tear it up. I'm finna be on my way home. Yeah, I gotta go back in. I gotta leave the house around.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, I just got off of work. I gotta pee so badly.
Okay, it's a no.
Ah! I'm gonna go home. Me and my sister are going to the gym later. And then I might get Chipotle. I don't feel like cooking. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all whenever I am at the house. I got me Chipotle. Now I'm gonna go home, eat, and then we're finna go to the gym. Hey y'all. So we at the gym. Jason that came. I'm done with my walk-in. I'm finna go lift, and I'll catch y'all after I leave the gym. It has snowed really, really bad. This is my first winter up here since I was younger. This is very nostalgic. I love it. Like, to me, this makes me so happy. I love the snow. This is so pretty. Definitely make sure y'all stay warm. Look, you can barely see Oreo. Look how many inches it done snowed. It's still snowing. Jason's plowing the snow right now. Banana baby, you like the snow? I try to put that on him so he can feel at least a little bit better. Doing good, Jason.
Are we ready?
I say bye till I walk. I say bye till I walk.
No, she wasn't ready.
Y'all, look how high that snow is. That is insane. That joker is high. Jason definitely doing his thing though. 1 through 10, how do you rate this Snowmobat?
Snowmobat is a high-octane, 4-cylinder engine. Really will get done whatever you need to get done. If you need it to clear out your driveway, well, less than 10 minutes, look at it. And then look at the driveway it done did. Well, look at it. If you need this thing, call your ex-wife and tell her that you're doing better than you have ever done before. Just look at it. Just look at it. That's the kind of stuff we do. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Okay, bye. Hey, do your little dancey there. Hey, hey, hey. It is coming down, as y'all can tell. A lot. Got so much. I love the snow. And this right here, what you call double bigger back. Huh? You get the snow, you know.
Why? Why? Why?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I done took my ankles. Hey, but get into the legs though.
Yeah.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
It's snowing. Mental institution. Crazy. Bitch needs straight jacket.
Okay. Did you get it?
I did.
You did? That's good. Now it's time to go get some hot cocoa. I have to do my job, sir.
Okay. All right, Captain.
Y'all stay warm, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in to RITNEYS World. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe or you're a lit liquor.
Bye.